Make it more simpler, because sometimes what happens, people not from the background of this philosophical they somewhere somehow lack the understanding in the concept of satva rajta. It's very glorious to listen the words and to speak the words, but on sometimes it's very hard to understand that in the terms of application what exactly happens to satva rajta. So simply I want to just that whatever the diet or whatever, it's a very basic concept in spite of philosophy, in spite of anything. But just for a simple understanding of a scholar, that anything which activates the metabolism or energy level within your mind as well as up your conscious level, the body, that is related to raja. Simplify. Anything that is related to, reduce down the metabolism or the activation or the regulation of mind, that is tama. Now what is left for sattva? The balance between the two. Simply, very simply. So whatever the diet is there, whatever the actions are there, whatever the practices are there, whatever, even the colors. Sometimes you see some color that activates the metabolism, the thought process. Those all are rajaguni. This is about the chromotherapy, right? Sometimes some colors are there which reduces down the metabolism as well as the thought process of your mind. That is tamoguni. And what is sattva? The white color. The combination of all colors, the combination of rajas as well as tamas as well. So whatever the diet is there, whatever the life pattern is there, whatever the activities are there, whatever the thought processes are there, how it should be? The balance. Again, Smattam Yoguchyati. I think I had tried to simplify the application part of Sattva Rajna.